What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here. Today I'm going to show you how to create Amazon PPC campaigns with extremely low ACoS percentages and that have virtually zero competitors targeting these keywords. So I'm about to dig into this training, and of course, like always, if you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel so you never miss a free training, and leave a comment below so that way I can know you're engaging and what you think of this content, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the training. All right, everyone, welcome to the training. So let's get straight into it. The tool I'm going to be showing you is called Helium 10. I'm sure a few of you have already heard of it. It's pretty powerful, and to me, it's the most accurate tool that's out there when it comes to recording search volume on the Amazon Marketplace. So I'm just going to show you an example of how to create a campaign that has zero competitors using these keywords. And what that means for you is essentially virtually the lowest clicks possible because there's just no one else competing for those keywords. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this technology to your advantage. So I just typed in the search bar BBQ gloves. This is not my product. This is not a product I recommend. This is just for training purposes. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put your main keyword inside of the search bar right here. Hit search, obviously. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to need to filter down the criteria to where it says search volume. Go ahead and put minimum 20 there. And where it says competing products, go ahead and put 5. Okay? And then at that point, you can apply filters. Let it load up. And here's where this strategy gets extremely powerful. So what you're going to do is, what you're looking at here is Helium 10 is showing you, okay, this is the projected search volume on a monthly basis, and you're probably thinking, okay, 20 with a search volume of only 20 a month, how is that profitable at all? And where it gets really powerful is, one, that's what every Amazon seller says, so no one's going to have these keywords in their campaigns. And two, if you have enough of these keywords, so the idea is to have between 100 and 200 of these keywords in one campaign, okay? And you're going to keep the bids extremely low at about 40 cents. It really depends on what your niche is, but keep a general average 40 cents just to keep it on the low side. But the idea is if you have 100 to 200 keywords that have approximately 30 to 50 searches a month, you're looking at potentially 3,000 searches plus with a combined list of keywords, if that makes sense. Okay, so what you're going to do is right here, it's showing you all of these keywords, and most of them, probably you're thinking, what you're probably thinking is, okay, these are weird keywords. A lot of them are misspellings, which is correct, but people still type misspelled keywords on Amazon. And truth be told, no one is competing for these products, okay? So what you're looking at here, where it says sponsored ASINs, 0, 0, 0, it means nobody has any of these keywords in their PPC campaigns. So what that means for you and competing products, look at that, it's practically 0. The reason why I put 5 is just to give you a little bit more search volume. So total, this one's going to have 35. So what you'll do is up here, you might have to do a couple searches. So instead of BBQ gloves, again, just as an example, you'll do grill gloves or thermal gloves. Try to think of the different variations that your main keyword phrase is made up of, and use those variations to collect a list of these low search volume keywords, but they also have 0 competitors. And like I'm telling you again, the PPC on the CPC, cost per click, for these campaigns is going to be the lowest amongst any of your campaigns there. So it's not going to be extreme. You're not going to see huge sales volume numbers, but you are going to see extremely profitable campaigns built from these keywords, okay? So again, you want to have your list of about 100 to 200 keywords, copy all of these onto an Excel sheet, and you're going to see, a lot of them are also long tail keywords, right? Heat oven, some of them are probably have a lot of brand names in them. So it's going to be extremely powerful when you put them together, because together they're going to be extremely profitable. And so I have a screenshot here. So here's a campaign. I just took the screenshot today. I just don't like to blur out videos. It takes forever. So This is one of those campaigns I have. And as you can see, PPC spend for the past 2 months. So we started that campaign on 126, 2019. It's already generated 66 orders, $1,300 with an 11% ACoS. It's not bad, okay? And it's, again, I'm trying to tell you, this is a long-term campaign. You're going to start to really see the fruition of it after about a month or so. So give it time. Just let it run in the back end and let it collect sales for you, because nobody is putting campaigns, with PPC getting pricier because of increased competition. You need to get creative when you're constructing your campaigns, and you need to get creative with the philosophy that if no one's doing it, because if someone looks at these search volume numbers, automatically people are going to think, not worth my time. But they can be worth your time when you have enough of them in one campaign and you have the bids super low, okay? Because you're essentially going to be the only ASIN that's going to be at the very top whenever someone types in one of these keywords, okay? So that's essentially it. I just wanted to show you a creative way to create a campaign. Again, these are some extremely low-hanging fruits that I promise you nobody is putting into their campaigns, because they're thinking to themselves, it's not worth it. But if you get enough of them, like I just told you earlier, it will be worth it, okay? So keep the bids low at about 40%, at about like 40, 50 cents. You don't even have to have the budget at $50 a day. You can put it at whatever you want. At least have it at least $10. And again, this is one of those long-term campaigns that's going to increase your profitability, because again, no one is targeting these keywords. Okay, so have enough of them to make it worth your while. Monitor it, and yeah, that essentially covers this training. I hope you guys loved it. I have a lot more coming. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll have a link below where you can get Helium 10 at 50% off your first month. And don't forget, ZonRush also helps you manage your PPC campaign. So if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, you're trying to grow your brand, come talk to us, zonrush.co, and we'll go ahead and help you out, okay? So I hope you guys love this training, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.